Welcome to the Commonwealth of Virginia Learning Center Learning Management System. In this tutorial, I will explain how to approve external learning requests and how to run an external learning report. Once you have logged in by typing your ID and password, click on the cog icon located on the black primary menu button on the right, which provides system options. To approve the external learning request, click on Training Management under Training, then click on External Learning Request from the drop-down list. Once the page opens, click on the Search button. However, leave the text box blank unless searching for a specific user's name. Once the results appear, scroll down and select the user's external learning activity by clicking on the Go button. On the next page, specifically take note of the title, date obtained, and the attachment link. Click on the link to view the document or documents associated with the activity and determine whether they are valid. At this time, select either Approve or Deny by toggling the radio button. Use the calendar to set an expiration date or enter a date using the correct format. Type a reason for action in the text box. And finally, click on the Take Action button. This next section is about how to run the external learning report. Click on the cog icon, which is located on the black primary menu bar on the right. Click on the System, select, and click on Reporting from the drop-down menu, then click on Reporting Console. On the next page, click on the Search button. Leave the text boxes blank. The system generates a list of reports. Scroll down and click on the link to Manager's Report External Learning. On the next page, click on the Select button. Before running the report, take a look at the Status drop-down box. One of the three options can be selected or it can remain blank. Use the calendar to select a start and an end date. Scroll down and click the Run Report button. Once the report is generated, the report can be exported to an Excel sheet, PDF, or XML file by clicking on the links on the top right. If you have any questions, contact Iris Gillette at 804-827-2635. This concludes this tutorial.